Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Chief Minister announces induction of GSIA members into GIDC board, says plots for small industries will be reserved. South Asian Film Festival commences, over 60 films to be featured in the festival. Education Minister Babush Montserrat supports Union HRD Ministry's move to keep SSCE exam optional. Educationist voice mixed reactions. Golden Konkan package will not affect tourism in Goa. Stakeholders say Goa will benefit from it. And international midfielder Alvito Di Cunha and GFA Secretary Savio Messias disagree with Horton's remark on Santosh Trophy. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has stated that plots for small-scale industries will be kept reserved in the state and information regarding plots will be made available online in future. Kamath announced this at the annual general function of GSIA on Friday.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath stressed that development of small-scale industries is very necessary for state's progress.
Whenever you have an industrial estate, you earmark some plots. Supposing you are making plots for 25,000, 40,000, 50,000, you also make plots of 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, keep them exclusively for small industries. So I think you will have to I do not want to, as far as bringing in transparency, I have already given direction to the IDC that they should actually, now we are talking of e-governance. I think anybody sitting anywhere, by just click of a button, should be able to know whether the plots are available, not available, what sizes are available, what rate is available. I think we should slowly, immediately, and not slowly, we should immediately go for introducing this system in the IDC.
Industrialist Suresh Kare, Industry Secretary VK Jha, President of GSIA Atul Naik and other industrialists and government officials were present for the occasion. GSIA Annual SME Compendium 2008-2009 was released and Suresh Kare was felicitated at the hands of Digambar Kamath. President Atul Naik said that there is tremendous scope and necessity for the development of Goan industry.
Incentive दिली शिवाय गोंयांक इंडस्ट्री अट्रॅक्ट करपाक कठीण जातलें. सो आमचो गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आनी दिगंबर बाब सरकारा कडेन मागणी आशिल्ली की सेंटराकय काँग्रेसची गव्हर्मेंट आसा, मनमोहन सिंगाची गव्हर्मेंट आसा, ह्या गोंयची गव्हर्मेंटाचें आनी तांचें नातें एकदम बरें आसा. तेन्ना तांणी आपली वजन वापरून गोंयाक जर जाल्यार इन्कम टॅक्स एक्झम्पशन टायप जर जाल्यार कितें हाडलें, जशें लेट 1990s भितर जाल्लें, आनी गोंयाक मोठ्या प्रमाणा भितर फार्मा इंडस्ट्री आयिल्ल्यो आनी इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशनूय बरे भशेन जाल्लें, तशें जर जालें जाल्यार गोंयच्या इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशनाक एक पाठबळ मेळटलें.
Suresh Kare put forth a different point of view. He said that Goans are sometimes afraid of taking risk in the business and that is the reason they lag behind.
Because Goans are very intelligent. I may tell you, if you grade them with rest of the country, you will find Goans are very intelligent. So intelligence is there, ability is there, but risk-taking ability is not there. That's why they don't go. They are afraid of taking risk and going into business. That fear of failure. What if I fail? What will the neighbors feel? What my own family people will feel?
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar for Prudent Media.
South Asian Film Festival was inaugurated on Friday by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. The three-day film festival would exhibit over 60 films from 9 countries.
South Asian Film Festival was inaugurated on Friday by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath in presence of Speaker of Assembly Pratap Singh Rane, President of Organizing Committee of South Asian Film Festival Jitendra Deshprabhu, actor Kumal Khemu and others. Digambar Kamath said that government has plans to develop entertainment industry.
And I'm sure Goa is going to be a permanent venue for hosting South Asian Film Festival in the years to come. In addition to being an important tourist destination, we want to develop Goa. We want to promote Goa as a destination for festivals. And with that in mind, we have been trying to organize, help the private sector also to come forward and organize various film festivals in the state. Like this, we want to make the festivals popular in the state of Goa, which we feel will encourage the younger generations to move towards the entertainment industry.
Pratap Singh Rane stated that the state will always welcome interested parties in hosting such festivals in Goa.
I also welcome most of you who are involved in making of these films. Some of you are here, the actors, the technicians. It's time that you can also go around and see Goa, which is like a film city itself.
Our reporter in Panji Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Education Minister Babush Monserrat has welcomed the proposal of HRD Minister Kapil Sibal. He has proposed to make the SSCE optional. He said that few corrections in the scheme are needed. However, educationists seem divided over the issue.
Looks like Education Minister Babush Monserrat is impressed with the Central Minister's proposal. Monserrat, however, said that they will study the proposal.
First of all, we welcome the initiative taken by the HRD Ministry. In fact, to have a revamping the full educational system, or to have a second look at the education system, how the education system has been running in our country. I think is a positive step in the right direction.
Director of Higher Education Bhaskar Naik said that utmost care has to be taken while implementing this plan.
This is one of the most revolutionary decisions which have been put forth by the central government, and I fully support this particular decision. However, there is a clause that along with this it should not be a free for all. Along with this, what should come is a system of checks and balances. No examination does not mean no teaching.
Educationist Prabhakar Timlo believes that before taking any decision in education field, proper discussion has to be held.
मुखार वचून तो म्हणटा की 12वी एग्जाम एक युनिफॉर्म बोर्ड असतो नॅशनल लेवल आणि स्लोवली मागीर 12वीची एग्जाम वचून स्क्रॅप करची म्हणून आणि एक नवी सिस्टम येवची मुखार. नाव ही डिसिजन पळय आसा तर ती ताजेर एक नॅशनल डिबेट जावपाक जाय, कित्याक एज्युकेशन म्हणटा तो स्टेट सब्जेक्ट म्हणजे प्रत्येक स्टेटीन ताजेर डिसिजन घेवचें पडटलें. पूण हे स्टेप पळय आसा ताजें आमी स्वागत करपाक जाय.
100 दिसांनी शिक्षण पद्दती बदलपाचें एक मोठी घोशणा दिवन सगळ्या जगाक चकीत केलां. खरें म्हणजे 100 दिसांनी शिक्षण पद्दती बदलप म्हणजे मूर्खाच्या नंदनवनान वावरल्या भशेन आसा. ताणें आनी एक घोशणा केल्या की ती म्हणजे SSCची एग्जाम जी आसा हीच कॅन्सल करपाची, ड्रॉप करपाची, आणि ताज्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या तकले वयलो मोठें टेन्शन जें आसा तें नश्ट करतलें अशें ताणें सांगलां. खरें म्हणजे हाज्या मुळे आनी एक मोठो जंगी घोळ जावपाचो आसा.
Our reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar, from Madgaon Sameer Bhatt, from Mapsa Shamsundar Farte with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar.
We are heading for a short break. After the break, watch our special series Tracking Monsoon. Stay tuned.